back. Yes, that little bit of electronic fashion hardware. Let's look at our scores. And John is on 18, Christopher on 40 points. And Christopher, can you wrap it up with some letters, please?
I'll start with a consonant, thank you.
Thanks, Christopher. Let's start with M.
And another consonant, please.
G.
And another one.
D.
Another consonant, please.
S.
And we'll go for some vowels, please.
O.
And another vowel.
E.
And another vowel, please.
U.
And I'll go for another vowel.
I.
And end with a consonant, thanks.
And last letter, Y.
Time starts now. Well, the last letters for tonight, Christopher, how did you go?
Yeah, I'll stick with a 6, thanks.
John?
6 also, Richard.
Let's start there.
Smudge.
And yours, Christopher?
Smudge as well.
Smudge as well. Could you just verify that they have both smudged their workbooks, David?
In fact, I couldn't better a 6. A lot here, including guides, and one that I did find quite interesting is moused is here, M-O-U-S-E-D, which is not just to chase mice, but also to send information using your mouse on a computer. So moused is also there for 6.
Well found, David. Well done, Christopher and John, 6 each. Well, we're down to our final numbers game tonight. Now, John, we were talking about superpowers before. Is there a superpower you'd like at this stage?
At this stage of the game, Richard, I'd quite like the superpower to be swapping their scores around other names.
Yeah, actually, that would be a handy superpower.
Very handy.
But maybe just a mathematical power to apply at the moment. What combination would you like?
Okay, if I could please, Lily, I'd love 3 large and 3 small.
3 large and 3 small. Thanks, John. And starting with the small, 6, 3, 10, and the 3 large, 100, 25, and 50. And the target to reach is 673.
We're heading there. Well, John, how did you go?
672.
Christopher?
I also had 672.
672 for you as well. Tell us what you did, John.
Okay, the 6 by 100, Lily, to get you 600.
6 by 100 is 600.
Then adding to that the 50 and the 25 to get 675.
Add 50 and 25 is 675.
And then I've minus 3.
And minus the 3 is 672.
Well done. Now, Christopher, did you do it the same way?
I did the same method.
Would you just verify you've used the same method, please? It's still one off, but this looks like a pretty tricky one, judging by your expression.
I didn't manage to get there in the 30 seconds. Best I could do is 672 as well. So
672 is pretty good going, but maybe if anybody else thinks that they can actually get to 673, should we make this a Webby, Lily?
yeah, I think so.
Okay, head to the website if you think you've got the answer and let Lily know what your solution is. So that means 7 points each for Christopher and John, and our scores: John 31, Christopher cracked through the half century, 53. Time for the final challenge, the conundrum. Let's reveal tonight's conundrum. Your time starts now. has come round, but the buzzers haven't sounded. So let's have a look at tonight's conundrum solution, and it is technique. So the score of 53, our winner tonight is Christopher. So John, very well played. That was a great full Monty that you got. Really got everything going and very, very exciting.
Yes, mate, a game of it, but yeah, got a man of the night. Well done.
Indeed, and all the best with your viewing of the ballet in the future.
Thank you
and
very
I can
much.
promise you one thing, you will never see me on the stage. And of course the Macquarie Dictionary for you to take home.
Thank you.
Christopher, once again, a very nicely played game, so we'll see you back tomorrow night.
Thanks, Richard.
Well, see you tomorrow night, David.
Actually, Richard, with you dancing as a dog in the Russian ballet, you sure it wasn't the Borzoi ballet?
See you, David. See you then. Good night, Lily.
Good night, Richard.
And that is the show for tonight. And just a note for your diaries, the Letters and Numbers Series 4 finals actually begin next week, so make sure that you join us then as our talented top 8 challengers compete for a spot in the grand final. See you tomorrow night, 6 o'clock. Good night.